Hi dear friends, today another video. Today my title is Indiset Band washing machine having problem with the error. It's mean while when we are giving power connection to the washing machine, when starting time it's within few minutes showing F15 error message. We went to the customer house, but we are not able to resolve the problem at customer home. Because of that, we collected washing machine from customer house to our workshop. That's been actually real problem. We found the problem. It is dry duct, dry heater with all the device items. It came out while spinning time. The customer telling it's huge noise came from the machine, and suddenly it got stopped and power tripping and all. Because of that, we removed the top cover, and we found the heater, dry duct, everything. It came out while due to while spinning time it came loose. All the nuts and wire also harness assemble came out, and heater harness also broke. And I will exactly problem. After that, we can understand. We will go ahead the troubleshooting and repairing steps. Now I gave a power connection to the washing machine. Now I start the machine, and I'm selecting here only the spin cycle. Now I select spin only, direct spin 1400 RPM, and I'm start the machine. Main motor start, but suddenly it's getting stop. Here you can see the problem. Now this is the problem. It's showing F15 error and blinking all the programs lights, also power green color, and F15. This is the problem. Now I will remove the top cover. After that, I will show you what happening to the machine. It is totally damaged actually. While spinning time, dry duct nuts came loose. After that, it came out, and I will show you. Also, I will show you how to repair that. If it is possible to repair, we will try to repair. Otherwise, we have to replace, which is damaged parts. We have to replace. Anyway, now we will open the top cover. Now I will show you what happened to the machine. This is the dry duct. It's already all the nuts came here loose. I will remove this one. Here you can see this nut also it came up. Now this one is loose. This is the happening. This is the customer complaint. Also not working. Now you can see this. This one is got damage. Also here the motor connection, only the one wire. Other one already broken. It is down. Here also heater connection also came out. And anyway, we have to remove I will remove the connector, fan motor connector, and we have to take it out the dry duct. After that, we can find out what happening to that. Also we will check here one thermistor. Also if it is F15 showing, this one also get damaged at that time, also showing 15 F15. Also this dry duct fan motor also getting defect, not showing continuity at the same time also. Anyway, this one already got damaged, the harness it came out, and heater element here is loose also. Now we will remove the screws nut from the tub, and we have to take it out. And we will remove all 4 nuts. It is Allen type. Now we can take it out. And this one touching here, it's damaged already. Tub also here damage. While spinning time, it's making huge noise because of the loose connection here. All the nuts point. See, it's damaged also. And also yes, here fan motor is rotating, but blower already broken here. You can find the blower. This one anyway we have to remove all the set here, and you can find out this space nut. That one already is too much damage, but we can use with washer or something with the washer, but no issue about that. But the thing is here, now I will check the heater connection continuity, also heater element. Now I am going to whether it's okay or not. Heater is okay, no issue. Heater is okay, no issue. It's showing continuity, but no any ground, nothing. The problem now I will check this one. Anyway, this one broken. So now I will check the fan motor continuity. Fan motor is okay, but problem blower got damaged. Motor is showing it is okay, but now we have to remove the fan motor also, because blower already got damaged. We cannot use anymore. We have to release the thermistor here, thermistor connection. Now we have to change. This heater is okay, but we have to remove all the screws. After that we can decide what we can do. The heater anymore we can use. Now we have to remove the duct, all screws. After that we have to try, we are trying to replace the fan blower. Today I tried to take new parts, but expensive, also not available in UAE. And finally I got the parts. This is the dry duct with the blower, everything. Now this is the damaged one. This one already gone. Blower motor is okay showing, but here body is already got damage. This one I got today, and I will show you. It is continuity, everything, and I'm going to check now. This one heater is showing continuity, no grounding, nothing. Also fan motor, also blower motor also okay, no any issue. But thing is, we try to remove this one also, we cannot remove also, we have to broke. This one already got damage, we cannot it's difficult to remove actually. Because of that I decided to replace the whole set, dry duct with motor, everything. And this one anyway we cannot use anymore, we can't use. And heater, everything the same, the same model, same thing. Now we are going to replace the parts. And here wire connection harness already got damaged before. Now I am going to fix with another harness connectors. This is blower connector, fan motor connector. It's that one wire also came out. Now according to the service manual, I check it is this two black for the blower motor, duct motor. This one for the heater connection. Now I am going this one, we can remove this one actually, this one. This is one lock here, and we can remove like that. After that we can fix here. And now it's okay, we fix already, it's not coming again out. Blower connection is okay, I fix connector. Now I have to fix this one. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to fix. I'm cutting here and removing, and I'm going to fix another wire. And this two wire I can fix. This two I'm going to fix for that. And anyway we have to soldering, because this one while spinning time this will get loose. Because of that I'm going to soldering. Because we have to fix like that, otherwise while spinning time it will get. Now we have to now we can check actually the after giving power connection machine running or not, because we have to give this two connection for the blower motor and heater connection. After that machine should run, should start without any error message. Now we will fix here. Now temper we can check actually it is working or not. before fixing. Now I already given connection to the blower, and also I will connect to the heater element. This is earth wire, this two connection. And earth wire also we can give here connection. Now we will try to start the unit. If it is okay, control board is okay, here connection for the thermistor. So everything okay, perfect. Now we have to check only. Now I already given power connection. We have to take it out now, otherwise it will go down all. Now everything perfect. I think I'm giving power connection, and I'm selecting here only the spin cycle. This one only the spin cycle. Now we will start. Drain motor already start. You can hear the noise. Yes, drum is rotating. No any issue. I think control board everything okay, perfect. Now not showing error message. Before it's already shows error F15. Yes, it is running very well, no any issue. Now I will stop the machine, and again I will try to check only the dry cycle, and we can check the blower and heater working or not. And we will keep like this position, and if it is blower working we can find out. Dry option, cotton dry, and I'm reducing time here, 345, 330, 310, 3. We can select 20 minutes also. I will select 20 minutes. Yes, it is 20 minutes. Now I'm starting. Door lock already. Drain motor start. Water, I already given water connection because this is condensation system. Because of that we have to give the water connection. Water will take while drying time. You should given water connection to the machine. Now still not start the blower. This machine is sensing now. Drying option cotton. It's showing only the remaining time 20 minutes here. End time 20 minutes. Now once first drain, after that should start the blower motor and also heater. Yes, blower already start. Also getting heat. We can check the heater connection, 230 power coming or not. Here it's already, I'm feeling too much heat. And now I'm selecting 230 250 here, and I'm going to check the heater. Yes friends, it's okay. 230 power coming to the heater element. Now I can fix the without any problem. Now I can fix the dry duct assemble. After that we can hand over to the customer also. Yes, it's getting heat too much. Now not showing any error message, nothing. Dear friends, now you know the problem. If it is showing, this is brand wise indicate. Sorry, Aristone brand, also indicate also same. It's same error occurring. That means S15 you have to check heater, sensor, and blower motor. Also dry heater element. That 3 items you have to check. If it is that 3 items, also after replacing, if you are occurring the same issue, you have to check the main PCB. Now this machine is main PCB, everything perfect, no any issue. Now it's blowing very heat air, and our job done already. Thanks for watching my channel again. If you something learn from my video, I'm really happy. Also, if you learn something, kindly subscribe my channel also, I'm requesting. Also, if you having any doubt, any comments, I'm expecting from your side. Thanks for watching again.